They give the wealthy top Merry Christmas Woofmas Pomeranian dog gift ugly Christmas shirt twice what they save on cutbacks. The thing is, the underlying idea, while immoral, was sound. If Democratic states got hit a lot harder than Republican ones that could be spun for political gain. The problem for the Trump campaign is the utter incompetence of everyone remotely involved with Trump, because rather than realize a quick and strong response resolving the top Merry Christmas Woofmas Pomeranian dog gift ugly Christmas shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, Cuomo actively delayed the response of NY and in doing so thousands of top Merry Christmas Woofmas Pomeranian dog gift ugly Christmas shirts be on his way to a second term. Instead, everyone is lauding Cuomo and Trump is down by 8 points. Here feeling really left out. It's working on my numbnuts rural uncle. He posts on social media all day about how New York City was a hellhole of coronavirus. But the death rate is lower in Florida and Texas. Other product.